Well, we are in Mumbai right now where TVS Motors has just unveiled this. What is this? Yes, it looks like a TVS iQube, but this is the TVS iQube with the newly launched 2.2 kilowatt hour battery pack that makes it the entry level variant and very affordable. Now in Maharashtra, this variant has been launched at an ex-showroom value of Rs 95,600. And if you are in Delhi, then you can get this entry-level iQube for just Rs 85,000. Now what do you get? What is all there on offer in this new variant? And it's not only this one, but the iQube ST is also being launched with two different battery packs, which I'll show you in just a moment. So to get all the details, stay tuned as I take you through a quick walk around of these new lineups in the TVS iQube portfolio. So overall, including the new variants that I just gave you a brief about, the iQube portfolio now gets 5 different trim levels, and it all starts with this, the TVS iQube with a 2.2 kilowatt hour of battery pack. Now this variant has a real-world tested range of 75 kilometers and also gets a 950 watt fast charger that can give you a 0 to 80% of charge in just 2 hours. Apart from that, of course, this being the base variant, in terms of tech, it is a little light because it does not come with the full touchscreen up front here, but it does get a fully colored TFT 5-inch screen up front that gives you rider information and also gives you information about toggling among the different modes of the iQube. But one big convenience feature that has not been omitted in this entry-level iQube is the reverse parking assistant. Now for any scooter, apart from that, you can see that this scooter gets LED lighting all across, and another important function of a scooter is the storage space. Now in this 2.2 kilowatt hour version, you get to see 30 liters of under-seat storage space, and here is the 950 watt fast charger that I was telling you about. You also get a USB-A charging point right here, and this bump that you see is TVS tells us that because of the new architecture and chemistry of the battery that they have used in this new version, this bump needs to be there. So that is where the storage space takes a kick for approximately 2 liters of storage space. Apart from that, everything is business as usual in this iQube as well. You get the LED lighting, you get the front disc brake and the alloy wheels as well. So overall, TVS hopes to democratize the electric vehicle and their own EV portfolio to a lot of more customers, a wide variety of customers with this new inning. But this is not the only end of the spectrum that has gotten a new variant. As I was telling you before, now finally after 2 years since it was first announced, the TVS iQube ST will also start getting delivered to customers very soon. And not only in the originally promised 3.4 kilowatt hour battery pack, but in the segment's biggest 5.1 kilowatt hour battery pack as well. So let's take a look at that. And then you have the other end of the spectrum, which is the TVS iQube ST. That's right, deliveries for the ST will also start very soon. And not just in the originally promised 3.4 kilowatt hour battery pack, but the segment's largest 5.1 kilowatt hour battery pack will also be an option in the TVS iQube ST now, along with all the bells and whistles, including this matte finish color that you see here. Now, the TVS iQube ST also gets the big 7-inch touchscreen right up front that also offers a host of information, including 118 connected features or something like that. This also gets the tire pressure monitoring system and a host of other functions over the 2.2 kilowatt hour battery pack TVS iQube base variant and the S variant. Very importantly, you also get extra under-seat storage space in the iQube ST, which is 32 liters, and you can see here that you also get a USB-A slot. And this right here in my hand is the new 950 watt charger that is coming in the 2.2 base variant as well, and the ST 5.1 kilowatt hour battery pack scooter as well. Now with all of its top of the line specs, which basically mean that the 5.1 kilowatt hour battery pack gives this a real world tested range of 150 kilometers, a top speed of 82 kmph, and a lot more, and also the new 950 watt fast charger. Well, that all brings up the TVS iQube ST 5.1's ex-showroom value in Maharashtra to 1,86,000 overall. Now that certainly makes the iQube ST 5.1 one of the most costliest scooters, electric scooters out there. But of course, then TVS claims that a lot of their customers who originally booked the ST 3.4 are still looking forward to getting their scooters, and the demand for these is very substantial. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section below. So that was all about the newly launched TVS iQube 2.2 kilowatt hour and the iQube ST with a 5.1 kilowatt hour battery pack. With these two new additions and the fact that they get the 950 watt charger, which can be expected to arrive in the other variants very soon, I think that TVS has certainly been successful to make this electric scooter, this electric family scooter, available to a wide range of customers. Let us know what you think about this scooter and its different new variants that have just arrived in the comment section below. Like always, do remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automotive content. Also, do not forget to press on that bell icon to get instant notifications on all our uploads.